Welcome back to the channel. As y'all can see, I thought for sure I was the editing guru right here. Look how I got that stuff slowed down, flying. Hey man, don't play with me. I come through to come through. Don't even play, you heard me? Let's get to it. You know, the liking, subscribing, sharing, all that good stuff. We're gonna clean out this old truck that I done had for about 5 years now. That ain't how long I cleaned it out now. Wait a minute. Wait a goddamn minute. But as you can see, it done got pretty bad. And it ain't got nothing to do with laziness either. Like a lot of people think lazy, but nah, it's more like preoccupied and neglect. Just just doing a lot of other stuff. We got other stuff like work, businesses, side hustles, editing videos, taking care of the kids, events, and just so much other stuff. Not saying cleaning isn't important, it very much so is, but when you're jumping in and out vehicles every day, all day, stopping at lunch, stopping to quote jobs, it's just sometimes it get a little out of hand. But we're gonna get it right today. I shouldn't have never let her get like this because she's been very, very good to me for the last 5 years. When I say she'll pull anything, 5'9", 24 valve, 1999 Dodge, she will pull anything. It might take 2, 3 years to get to the destination, but she'll pull anything. I don't give a dang on what it is. She might be a little ugly. She might be a little rough around the edges. You know what? Let me stop talking about her, cause she do me very well, and I ain't gonna throw her under the bus like that. And I wanted to name her, cause I named most of my vehicles in the past, but I stopped giving vehicles names cause they started getting clingy and bothersome. Like I owe her something because I named her. She started wanting a lot of attention, and you get another vehicle, and she started acting crazy and stuff. So I just started naming them because I ain't trying to get attached, and I don't want her getting attached to me. You just do your job, I'm gonna do mine, and we ain't got no strings attached. But I do appreciate you, girl. Look, let me get back on the topic of the clean. Y'all see right here where I just found paint that was spilled over. This paint is for the dresser set, the bedroom set, and the guest bedroom, and it's paint everywhere on the floor, all on my hand and everything. And this is why you're supposed to wear PPE, protection, gloves, eyeglasses, and stuff. So don't do like me and clean this type of stuff without your PPE. So I'm using mineral spirits to get it off my hand and off of the truck interior and stuff. But it's working fine, and it's just look, wow. But anyways, it's an emerald green. I want to know what color should I go with as an accent color. They got the matte black or the chalk white. Y'all tell me in the comments what color y'all think I should match up with the emerald green. Chalk white or matte black. So I know I watch a lot of these type of videos, just trying to get a little knowledge on how to do them and stuff. So what I do notice a lot of people do, they talk about anxiety, stress, depression, and different things. I'm not really trying to pull those viewers in per se. I'm talking about good stuff and uplifting things. I want to make you laugh. I want to make you just your day a little bit more spiffy. I don't want to meet you where you're at. I want to bring you out of where you are, if possible, with some laughs, some fun, some cleaning, just different tactics. I don't want to. I mean, I may come in with some down moments at times, but that'll be probably 10% of the time. And the kids, when the kids come in and we get more footage and more content for you guys, it's gonna be about laughter, fun, and enjoying life. We are not gonna sit around and mope and grope in our bad moments and bad times, because we get enough of that. Everybody get enough of that from the world and what's going on and different things and entities just attacking us in different aspects of life. And that's not what we're going to do. We're going to bring you guys some fun, joy, laughter, a little bit of satisfying videos, just something uplifting from the normal of the down and gloomy side. Backstory on this Dodge. I bought her with my school money, one of those checks from school. Yes, indeed. And I've been flipping money with this truck since 2019. Yeah, I think it was 19 or 20, one of those years. But yeah, this truck done made me so much money and paid for cash $3,600 and the best 3,600 I don't spend ever. I don't even want to even get into how much this truck done made me back in just the first year. And I haven't had no major issues. I may have put maybe $1,000 into this truck with tires and maybe I think a water pump, small stuff that goes out. This truck probably will outlast me. The carpet is bad. The seats, the carpet is pretty bad. I'm not gonna shampoo the carpet or anything because I'm going to purchase it's like a mat, a hard rubberized mat that I'll end up swapping out. So I'm not gonna waste my time on the carpet. But these seat covers, I'm pretty sure the seats in here are immaculate. I never took them off and they look pretty good. Now, you just saw me cleaning out those little pouches. I didn't even know those damn pouches was there until I started cleaning this truck in depth. If y'all notice, I'm using a air hose. That air hose works miracles when it comes to cleaning vehicles. It get in the crevices, under the seats, around things, through things. Once you spray that all-purpose, that degrease on whatever you're gonna spray it on, let it set for a second or two. That air knock the dirt right off. It's amazing. How about we just got back from one of our first cleaning jobs, professional cleaning jobs. It was an Airbnb, and we enjoyed the heck out of it. Got a lot of footage, got a lot of experience, got the job done in a timely manner for it to be our first time. Yeah, it was pretty nice. So what we'll be working on now is a system. Who's going out, when they're going out, who's gonna tag what room, you know, who's gonna do the laundry, who's gonna do the dishes, who's gonna dust. We're just gonna work on a system that works and have everything in sync so we can eliminate a lot of time errors. Cause I think with businesses, systems really helps a lot because it kind of puts you in a repetitive motion where things are just flowing because you got that system, you're going by that system. And those kind of systems you usually could step away from and allow other people to work them systems while you just stay back and make money off the system. You dig? One thing about cleaning this truck that I've noticed. Wait, I did just wait a minute. Did I just see I just saw one of those pockets that I know I didn't clean out because I didn't know it was there. Okay, I'm gonna go clean it. God dang. But yeah, cleaning this truck, it's gonna look like I ain't clean it. But it's clean. It's just old. She's just old and but she'd get the job done, but she still look rough around the edges. Just knowing it's clean, dirt ain't everywhere, dust ain't all built up. It's just a different feeling once you sit in here, start driving, going around, and that fresh scent. Yeah, it might still look a little dingy, but I can tell you, it feels and smells really good, and I am loving it. If you ain't done it, go ahead and subscribe. Oh yeah, I'm gonna ask you. I'm gonna go on and put it out there just in case you forgot to push the button. Unforget, push the button, subscribe, leave a comment. Whatever you're going to do, just do something in support of the grind. Right here, water dirty, switched it out because it was a little too gritty and grimy to keep going back and forth. So it's fresh now. We also putting together a giveaway for the subscribers. We just haven't figured out what it's going to be yet, but it's gonna be something household related, for mothers, single parents, something that'll help around the house, make things easier, just to help someone out. We'll definitely keep y'all updated on that, on the giveaway. Just stay posted. Just stay subscribing. We're coming up to the end of the video. I'm going to let it go out with some tunes just to wind you guys down and experience the new, old new look. Alright? Alright.